And now some fresh pickings from the political grapevine. If you build it, they will come. It worked for Kevin Costner in Field of Dreams, but not so much for the State Department in Afghanistan. $6.5 million was spent to build 6 communication towers in that country to expand and enhance telecommunications services to underserved and strategic areas. But they were never used as intended. The Inspector General found the department ignored numerous red flags, including Afghan telecom providers would not connect to the system, and that the DoD did not want the towers because of the high cost of fueling the tower's generators. The IG is asking the State Department to explain why it first terminated, then revived that project in the summer of 2011. The IG has requested an explanation by next week. Iran has cracked down on the happy dancers. The 7 Iranians who posted this video of dancing to Pharrell's hit song Happy have been sentenced to 91 lashes and 6 months in jail. Their lawyer says the sentences were suspended, meaning that if no similar offenses are committed for 3 years, they are off the hook. The dancers were arrested in May, but released after self-professed moderate President Hassan Rouhani tweeted, "Happiness is our people's right. We shouldn't be too hard on behaviors caused by joy."